what dimension we can generate? First, definitely what I will write here, let's talk about the intro. In intro, I will start with anecdote, one paragraph here. Then I have to contextualize this. Contextualize that I will tell you how to do that. The second thing what I do is that why this essay is relevant. Why it is relevant. Second paragraph. Why it is relevant means UPSC have asked this topic. How I relate this topic, why I consider this topic is very relevant considering the present context. Why it is relevant? What I wrote, truth knows no color. Today there is discrimination based on the race, based on the caste, based on the country. We have seen our people from the US came with handcuffs, chain in their legs. Have you seen those videos? They deported our people from the US to India. Right? Based on what? Nationality. Then the Rohingya issue. You must have heard Rohingya, right? Rohingya issue is going on, or what happening in Palestine and other countries. Those are all issues are there. So the point is, I in one paragraph I tell the examiner, yes, this is very relevant in today's context. So that is the relevancy of the essay. Next two paragraph, because I have to write 2 pages. How many pages? 2 pages for the intro. That means I need 4 paragraphs. 1 paragraph anecdote, 1 paragraph why it is relevant. Then in 2 pages, what I talk about is the truth. What I understand by truth. What I understand by truth. What is truth? Similarly, if you're writing this type, supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. What are the keywords here? War is one of the art of war. That is, a war is one keyword. Another, enemy. Who can be the enemy? And without fighting means persuasion, basically. Persuasion. Persuasion means influencing other without coercion. Coercion or without forceful way. It's the peaceful way. So I have to describe them in the intro part only, what I understand with them. It need not be very, very technical. It need not be academic. I have to tell the examiner, I have to tell the reader that in this essay, with war means I mean this. In this essay which you are going to read, enemy, I do not consider just our neighboring state or any other country. I consider enemy which is present inside me. Enemy which is causing corruption. Enemy which is causing the fight between different country, different people. I am thinking enemy not just one way but other way. That I have to describe in the intro part only. Then only the examiner will understand, oh, according to this essay, he or she is not thinking enemy just from one dimension. So that I have to tell the examiner in the intro part. And then the without fighting means what I mean. I mean without fighting means use of persuasion, use of non-weaponry, non-violence means to achieve or to subdue the enemy. What Mahatma Gandhi did, he used the non-violence to defeat Britishers. That is basically the crux. So I am thinking without fighting means the use of non-violence, persuasive techniques. So that in these 2 paragraphs, that is the thing which I am going to explain here. What is the truth? The broad, and this should be the broadest. This explanation should be the broad definition, and that should be your own. It can be other, you can substantiate that point, but write your own words. Like, what do you understand by truth? Truth is something which is based on some universal principle. That's the truth, isn't it? For example, equality is the universal principle, right? You can't ask like the here only men are allowed to study UPSC, women are not allowed. Is it truth? No, it is based on the inequality, so it cannot be truth. Truth is when the equality, the treatment of everyone is based on the equality. What Hitler did was not the truth. unfair, that because that was based on discrimination based on the race.